Hey YouTubers, D-Doc here again. It's still Monday, January 15th, a little bit later on in the morning. Actually, it's early afternoon. And I just can't rest without getting that MTD Snowblower started up. Now, it's been sitting here on the porch thinking about life. So, let's get it over here closer to the door. Let's get you a little bit there more in the frame. That's a little better. Let's just give this a little tickle and see what we can come up with. Maybe it's thought about life a little bit. Well, that was nice. Finally decided to kick over. Of course, after all the snow blowing's gone, but oh well. Well, thanks for watching, commenting. Catch you on another one.